In today's lesson, you're going to be completing a series of different short programming tasks. For each of the tasks, you're going to have to solve a series of quick problems. I want you to think really carefully about how you're going to be solving these problems. You mustn't use any inbuilt functions. So you can't use len, you can't use average, you can't use min and max, you can't use upper and lower. You must create all your own functions. Now remember, some of these functions you could potentially reuse in the future, so if you're careful about how you program them, you'll be able to call these and use them again. On Trinket, if you look for the problem solving tasks, the green tasks are easier and you should work through these first. If you manage to complete the green tasks, you should then work your way onto the yellow tasks. Your teacher will decide whether you should complete the red task or not.